given here. Question number 1, the complex number, 3 VSQs this year we are expecting from the complex number. So very important VSQs I have given here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are very important VSQs. You can note down all the VSQs of the chapter. Important, very important VSQs I have given here for complex number. Let us see the SAQ questions for complex number. 4 marks question, very important question. Find the square root of 7 plus 24i. Show that are conjugate each other. Least positive integer. Show that 4x square minus 1, and then show that x square plus y square is equals to 4x minus 3. 6th, 7th, and the last is very important question. Next is, let us see the De Moivre's theorem, very important chapter. We will see the VSQs first. If ABC are the angle of the triangle, next is x equals to cos theta I sin theta, that is find x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Next, cube root of unity, 2 questions. Cube root of 8, then the find value, 6th question. Next is from same chapter, 4 marks question. Simplify. Next, find the value. 3rd question. 4th question is also very important. 5th, 6th question, cube root of unity, find the value. Next is LAQ question from the De Moivre's theorem. Very important LAQs I have listed here for 7 marks. For positive, alpha beta are the roots of the equations. Next, zn power 2 by minus 1 by zn power 2 plus 1. If n is an integer, then show that. 6th question, 7th question, very important questions for De Moivre's theorem. Next is quadratic expression. 2 marks questions I have given here. Form the quadratic equation whose roots are, form a quadratic equation whose roots are m by n minus n by m. Next, 2 roots are given. Form the quadratic equation. Find the roots of the quadratic equations. Find the roots, discriminate roots, natural roots, and minimum and maximum expressions. Next, SAQ questions I have listed here for quadratic expression. Very important SAQs questions that definitely fetch you good marks from this chapter if you practice these questions. Next is the LAQ question from the quadratic expression. Determine the range of the following, then prove that this given points lies between 1 and 4 if x is real. Then if x is real, prove that x by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. This is a very important question. All are very important. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, and next after that solve 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x equals to 10. Then solve 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equals to 50 for real. Then the last one is solve under root 3x by x plus 1 plus under root x plus 1 by 3x equals to 2. Next is theory of equation. Again, very important chapter. Let us see the 2 marks questions from this chapter. First is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 alpha are the roots of the equation. Then find the value of alpha. Second is also same, find alpha. Third is find a. Fourth, find alpha and beta. Fifth one, find a. Next, 6th, 7th, 8th, total 9 questions I have listed here, very important. Next, 4 marks question from the same chapter. Solve the following given that the sum of root is 0. Solve the following given that 1 plus I is one of its root. Solve the following given that 2 plus root 3 is a root of the equation. Next, given that is a root of the equation, solve it completely. Next, 5, 6 questions I have given, very important SAQs. Next is the LAQ questions from the same chapter. AP and GP is also very important. GP expecting a question from this year, polynomial, and translate those equations. 7th, 8, 9, 10, 11, very very important questions. You can note down and practice. They definitely give you good marks from this chapter. Total 11. Next, permutation and combination. Permutation and combination is a complete one chapter, but in this, permutation is separate and combination is separate. Let us see the from permutation. VSQ's question: NP4 equals to 1680, find n. NP3 equals to 1320, find n. And this the third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, very very important question. They definitely give you 2 marks. Then the SAQ questions from this chapter. The first is find the number of ways of permuting the letter of what picture, so that. Next, third one is also very important. Triangle, 4-digit number. Find the number of ways 6 boys and 6 girls in a row. Find the number of ways 4 boys, 3 girls. Next, number of way of arranging 5 different mathematics books, 4 different physics, chemistry books. Last one is very important question. Next, the long question from permutation. One is master and remaster. Next is on prison. Let us see the combination. I have given from combination very important VSQs. These are very helpful for you to practice. 5, 6, 7 questions I have given. Very very important questions that definitely fetch you good marks if you practice from this chapter. SAQ question from the combination. Total 4 SAQs I have given here, very important SAQs. And LAQ question from combination, 2 LAQs I have given here. Next, binomial theorem, again very important chapter, 2 marks and for LAQs. So here 2 marks question I have listed, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Next is 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 questions of VSQs. No, sorry, 9 and 10. 11 questions of VSQs from this chapter. LAQ 1 LAQ this year we are expecting from binomial theorem, very important chapter. First is the coefficient x power 10 in the expansion is equal to the coefficient of x power minus 10. Find the relation between a and b. Find the numerical greatest term. This question is very important. Greatest term, numerical question. So many time in the exam this type of questions were asked by the examiner in binomial theorem. The last one is very important question. So this is about binomial LAQs. Next chapter, partial fraction. This year we are expecting 3 SAQs from partial fraction. So 1, 2, 3 questions. Next 4, 5, 6, very important. Next 7, 8, 9, 10, also very important question. Next 11, 12. Total 12 questions of SAQs I have given here. If you practice, they definitely give. Measures of dispersion. This year so many things have been deleted from this chapter. Normally we used to get in previous years that mean, median and mode questions were coming, but this year only 2 marks question we are expecting from the measures of dispersion. Mean deviation of mean and mean deviation of median. This only VSAQ question will come from this chapter. Important questions I have listed. You practice, they definitely give you 2 marks. Probability, again probability is for SAQ and LAQ. The first question, a fair coin is tossed 200 times second out of 30 integers, and find the probability of drawing a score of 7 with 2 dice. Then a page is opened randomly is a 4 marks, very important question. A fair coin are tossed simultaneously, then the probability that 2 heads and 2 tails appear. Leap year, non-leap year question is very important. Addition theorem, sometime it may ask for 7 marks, sometime it may ask for 4 marks. 8th question is also very important. 9th question, very important question. 10th is in a class 60 boys, 20 girls, half of the boys and half of the girls know cricket. Find the probability that even a person selected from a class, either a boy or a girl, knowing cricket. Next, when 1 ticket is drawn, next question. Next, the probability for a contractor is also very important question. A pair of dice is also important question. Next, A and B are independent event. Find the value of A by B, B by A, and P intersection B and P A union B. And A speaks truth is also very important question. Next, A and B are independent. These are very, very important questions are there. Next, if A, B, C are three events, find the value of A doesn't occur plus P of B doesn't occur. Last question, state and prove multiplication theorem of probability. LAQ questions from probability. ABC are three horses. One question, ABC newspaper in a committee 25 members and a bulb 15 bulb. 5 are defective. This is a very important question again, and ABC is also a very, very important question. A fair dice is roll and calculus problem question. Very important questions. Next and the last chapter, random variable. This year one VSAQ and LAQ we are expecting from this chapter. So I have listed here mean and variance, binomial variate question, Poisson distribution, 450 pages, minimum number of fair dice, 8 coins are tossed, 9 ship is likely to be rigged, probability that a person is chosen. This is 2 marks question. Next LAQ questions I have given. If cubical dice is thrown, 1 LAQ, 3 LAQs I have given here. 4, fifth one is also very important. 1 2 3 4 5, note it down. 6th is very important, find the value of C. Next 7th question is also very important. 8th one is also very important question. 9th is also very important. Total 9 questions I have given, very important. If you practice, they definitely give you good marks from this chapter. This is brief. For more updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified, and share this video with your friend.